Hello everyone and welcome on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls. Myself KIRTI. Today I am going to teach class 9 maths and the topic is factor theorem. So the statement of the factor theorem is let px be a polynomial of degree n greater than 1 and let a be any real number. Then the first condition is if PA is equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. And the second condition is if x minus a is a factor of px, then PA is equals to 0. So this is the factor theorem, and now applying these factor theorem into the question. So let's start the question. The question is, show that x plus 1 is a factor of px is equals to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now applying the factor theorem and shows that the x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So first of all, we know that what is a. Actually, a is a real number, so find a. Here, x plus 1 is a factor. Then x plus 1 is equals to 0. So then x is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 is the a. Now put these value in this polynomial and solving the polynomial gives 0. Then this x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. So putting these value in in polynomial px, then p minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, here the cube of minus 1, I can solve here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, where I am going to multiply minus 1 in 3 times. So minus 1 minus plus. So this is plus 1 multiplied with minus 1 gives plus minus minus, and 1 ones are 1. So this is the cube of minus 1. So here I write minus 1 plus, and the square of minus 1 into minus 1, minus plus, 1 ones are 1. So the square of 1 minus 1 square is 1 plus minus 1 plus 1. So the minus 1 and plus 1 get eliminated. Similarly, these minus 1 and these plus 1 is also get eliminated, gives 0. So the factor theorem says that if PA is equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. So by factor theorem x plus 1 is a factor of px is equals to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So this is the complete solution. Now I am going to solve the next question. The next question is, find the value of k if 2x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial 6x square plus 6x minus 2. In this question, which is already given, 2x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial, this polynomial. Now only find the value of k. So in this question we also applying the factor theorem. The factor theorem says that I can write factor theorem says that factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of px, then pa is equals to 0. If x minus a is a factor of px, then pa is equals to 0. Similarly, 2x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial this, then find the value of k. Okay. So first of all find the value of a. Here 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 1 upon 2. So this is a. Now put these value in equation number, in polynomial. Putting the value in px, then p 1 by 2 is equals to 6, 1 by 2 square plus k 1 by 2 minus 2 is equals to 0, because this is the factor of the polynomial. So 6 square of 1 is 1 and the square of 2 is 4 plus k 1s are 1 upon 2 minus 2 is equals to 0, and this are going to eliminate with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, gives 3 upon 2 plus k upon 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So I can write k upon 2 is equals to 2 minus 3 upon 2. Now I am going to take an LCM of these number. 1 and 2 is 2, and 2 2s are 4 minus 3, such that k upon 2 is equals to 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 2, and k is equals to 2 upon 2, which is eliminated, and then the value of k is 1. So here this is the complete solution. Thank you.